दोस्तों, आप सभी का राइजिंग स्टार चैनल में स्वागत है। आज हम आपके लिए एक ऐसा टॉपिक लेकर आए हैं जिसके बारे में क्लैरिटी होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो आज हम इंग्लिश को बेसिक से स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने का तरीका बताएंगे ताकि आप हर एक सेंटेंस को समझ पाएंगे। तो चलिए दोस्तों, आज केवल 3 शब्दों के आधार से दैट इज, एम एंड आर से हम इंग्लिश आसानी से ना ही केवल बोल पाएंगे बल्कि लिख भी पाएंगे बड़े आराम से। इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए हमें वर्ब की ज़रूरत होती है और टू बी वर्ब बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि वो ऑब्जेक्ट, प्लेसेस एंड क्वालिटीज़ को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए हमें मदद करता है। इसलिए इंग्लिश में सिंपल सेंटेंसेस बोलने के लिए टू बी वर्ब सीखना बहुत ज़रूरी है। So, my today's class is targeted to all the basic English learners who get confused when to use am, is and are. So, let us consider be as a sun. Okay, and it has its rays as is, am and are. No doubt friends, be एक supporting verb होता है, पर आज हम आपको बताएंगे कि हम इन्हें कैसे as a main verb use कर सकते हैं। You all know that as verb is an action word. Likewise, be is also a word that shows action. Verb has 3 forms and these 3 forms are present, past and past participle. For example, do, did and done, or go, went, gone. So these are the 3 forms of the verb. Though be is an irregular verb, it has also 3 forms. The present is, are and am. Past is, was and were. And future is, been. So in today's class, I will teach you about its present form as am, is and are. You will learn in this class how to make sentences, how to make positive sentences, negative sentences and how to form questions. जैसा कि हम अपने हर वीडियो में पहले आपको रूल्स के बारे में बताते हैं, तो चलिए हम इन 3 शब्दों के बेसिक रूल्स को पहले समझेंगे जिसे आपको याद भी रखना होगा बाय हार्ट। Am is used with first person, that is singular. I. Is used with third person, singular. That is he, she, it or any names you can take like Megha, Shivani, etc. And are is used with third person, that is plural. You, we, they, Indians, judges. So this is the basic rule जो आपको याद रखना होगा for making small sentences. जब वाक्य के अंत में हूँ, हैं या हो रहे हो तो वाक्य के कर्ता के अनुसार am, is and are का प्रयोग होता है। For example, I am rich or he is rich. They are rich. You can also ask a question, am I rich? So now let us start with some more examples. For example, I am awesome. It is such a beautiful sentence. Or I am a child of God. Let us take some few examples for is. Pain is temporary and pride is forever. These are very beautiful phrases which you can use while making sentences or while citing some kind of examples. Home is where heart is, or happiness is homemade. Knowledge is power. Further, you can also say, this cap is yellow in color. So, these are all few sentences which you have learnt with is. Some more example for is, hello, my name is, whatever your name is. My name is Ram, my name is Shyam. Or he is a teacher. He is Ram. He is a good boy. She is working hard. My brother is honest. तो जब हम बिगनिंग में इंग्लिश के छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस बनाना सीखेंगे, so with the help of these verbs, your sentence will also be correct and you will have lots of confidence in making the sentences. You can also say today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever is it. Okay? Now let us take some example of are. So my dear friends, you are a star, or you are amazing. Like friends, we all are friends. Sisters are special. The books are kept in the library. So these are the sentences with are. So now let us go ahead with some of the basic rules that we have to use for different kind of sentences. That is positive sentence, negative sentences and interrogative sentences. So let us start with the affirmative sentence को भी हम positive sentences बोलते हैं, which is the simple sentences. The simple rule is you have to use the subject plus is, am and are plus any complement. With the help of complement, our sentences will be complete. For example, I am happy, I am a student, mother is cooking, father is working, you are strong, we are healthy, they are intelligent. So these are all the small sentences which is showing some kind of positiveness. Now let us talk about the negative sentence, जिसको हम नकारात्मक वाक्य भी बोलते हैं. The simple rule is you have to use the subject plus is, am and are plus not and plus a complement. जो भी हमारे पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस होते हैं, अगर हम उसमें नॉट ऐड कर देंगे तो इट इज़ गोइंग टू बिकम अ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम नॉट सैड, आई एम नॉट इंटेलिजेंट, अरुण इज नॉट ऑनेस्ट, अमन इज नॉट अ लायर, दैट इज अमन झूठ नहीं बोलता है. यू आर नॉट हैप्पी, they are not poor. So these are all the negative sentences. Now the third one is going to be the sentences which is going to help you to ask some questions. Now for asking question in sentences को हम प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य भी बोलते हैं. And the simple rule is we have to use is, am and are plus a subject and plus a complement. For example, am I happy? Are you hungry? Are you kind? Is Radha intelligent? Are we rich? Are they poor? Are you healthy? Are Ram and Shyam thin? So these are all the questions which makes you ask certain questions from your friends, from your relative or from anyone you feel like. Next comes, even for the interrogative sentences, we can have the negative interrogative sentences as well, जिसको हम नकारात्मक प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य भी बोलते हैं. The simple rule is the WH question. For example, who, what, why, where and how. या कौन, कब, क्या, क्यों, कैसे आदि लगे हुए होते हैं इन sentences में. So the rule is you have to use the WH question plus is, am and are plus the subject will be there. Along with the subject we have to use not and one complement. For example, am I not happy? क्या हम खुश नहीं हैं? Are you not hungry? Are you not kind? Is Radha not fat? Is Sita not poor? Are you not honest? Are they not kind? Are we not honest? Or is Ram not a good boy? So I have come up with many different kind of sentences which was going to help you to make your basic concept very clear. With the help of these sentences you will be able to speak very well. Now there are some more examples what I have given you. For example, the boys are laborious, and that is मेहनती है लड़के. My brother is honest. Sita is beautiful. You are right. I am strong. Ramesh and Vikas are sad. Ravi is tall and Rajiv is hungry. So look, my dear friends, इंग्लिश में सिंपल सेंटेंस या बेसिक सेंटेंस बनाना बहुत इजी है. जैसे यदि मुझे गाना है, आई सिंग, आई प्ले, आई स्टडी. मैं गाता हूँ, मैं खेलता हूँ, मैं पढ़ता हूँ. इन सभी सेंटेंस में एक कॉमन बात है और वो ये है कि वो काम करने की. चाहे वो पढ़ना हो, गाना हो या खेलना हो, इन सभी सेंटेंस में एक सब्जेक्ट है यानी मैं, जो काम करने वाला है. सब्जेक्ट ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सब्जेक्ट जो है इंसान ही हो, वो कोई भी एनिमल भी हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द लायन रोर्स, और रोर मीन्स लायन गुर्राता है, या बर्ड्स ट्वीट. सो व्हेन वी स्पीक समथिंग अबाउट सब्जेक्ट, द नेम, gender, relation, age or quality, the positive, negative or existing condition, then we have to use is, am and are. This will help you to make your sentences complete in a proper way. हमारा मकसद है, my dear friends, आपको सिर्फ पढ़ाना ताकि आप इंग्लिश में बोलने में कॉन्फिडेंट एंड फ्लुएंट हो जाएं. सो बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ, you will surely reach your goal. So I would once again like to thank all my viewers of this channel. Keep watching my all videos and I guarantee you will surely speak in English very fluently. So please don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest uploaded content.